Here's a couple of pieces of nice multicoloured seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres, materials wetted, the white you're just seeing there's the light reflecting. Wall to wall colour. Might drop off on this corner here. Through there. This side's got nice colour. Fortunately it's on a, oops sorry. Fortunately it's on a lighter grey base, but up top here there's little bits of gold and red showing through a little bit. Here's the other side. Colour, picking up pinks and salmons. Again, that looks like it's just potch over here. The stones 20 by 15 maybe of opal. Showing through here and here. Bit of potch on the corner perhaps. See the colour bar coming through the scale there. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.